YouTube? It's your girl Barry J. Hey, and I am back once again with another YouTube video. So as you guys can see from the title, I'm gonna be creating a nice soft glam look using the Aina palette. I also want to say happy Black History Month to you guys, but Black History is 365 days all around, you know what I'm saying? But if you guys are interested in watching this video, please stay tuned, but do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Peace. I recognized that I had accidentally touched my face and put concealer on my cheek in the beginning, so I just want to apologize and let you guys know that was by an accident. I know how to blend, but I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. So you guys, this is my first time using the Sheer Glow from Nars. I usually use the Natural Radiant one, but I was like fiending to try this one, so I was like, you know what, let me just try it out now. Wow, you know, it's winter time, see how it goes before the summertime, because in the summertime I love to have my little dewy look. So you guys, this is in the color New Caledonia, and this is medium dark too. Now I am this color when it comes to what's the other one that they have, which is the Natural Radiant one. This is my color, so I was like, you know what, maybe I'm this color also in the Sheer Glow, but I'm not gonna hold you. It's kind of looking a little red, more of a red undertone, so with this one I probably would have to go a little lighter. Do my eyeshadow and everything before I do my foundation, before I do my foundation and stuff like that. But I wanted this video to be a little faster. I was told to fix my lighting because that's why my foundation isn't matching myself on the camera. But it's like matching, but it's not fully matching. But like when I literally did a FaceTime call just now, it looked it fine, and when I checked in a different bathroom, like the bathroom lighting, it looked it fine. Like right now it's starting to look a little bit better, but your girl is stressing out. But yeah, so it is Black History Month, and I really planned on giving you guys more videos in February. Like I wrote down so much ideas that I wanted to give you guys, but like I don't know, I'm tired. I just really been tired, just been focused on work and just overall trying to just like better myself. And this is in this is by Nars as well, and this is in the shade Amande, I think. Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking good. At first I was a little shocked. I thought that, but it was actually really my lighting though. So okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set underneath my eyes with the Lawless. Since you guys recommend me putting Lawless on instead of using Too Faced or whatever, I tried it out and now I can't stop using it. Like I honestly like using Lawless. It's a good setting powder. now we're gonna let that sit on our face. You know, very usually don't bake. You girls usually don't bake, but we're gonna let that sit. Okay, but now we're gonna go into our Jackie Aina palette. I'm gonna be doing a nice, simple, soft glam for you guys today. Like I said before, I haven't been recording in a long time, so I'm trying to just record this video to give you guys something to watch. A lot of people were saying, Barry, you haven't been recording. You went the whole month without recording. Are you gonna upload something? Where you gonna upload something? And I just been tired. And then I was speaking to my sister today, and she was like, just upload a video, just do it. And here I am. So I'm trying to do something really simple just so I can have this video up and going, so you guys can have something to watch from me, because according to you guys love watching my videos. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this color called Credit. Yes, I always use Credit from Jackie I, and I just feel like it just guides you better than all these other colors in here. But I'm gonna go in with Credit, and I'm just gonna pack that into my cut crease. And Credit is this color right here. Wait. We have to set underneath. We gotta put a concealer on our eyes. Look at me. And y'all wasn't going to see shit. I haven't recorded in so long. I'm kind of like, I'm losing my touch. But don't worry, I'm coming back. Okay, so because I don't want that, because I'm doing a soft glam, I don't want the color to be so harsh. I'm gonna go back in with that Lawless setting powder, and I'm gonna just put that on my eyes, just so that when I do my soft glam, the colors will come off kind of soft and not too harsh. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the Jackie Aina palette, and we're gonna go in with that color called Credit, and just create a nice cut crease. And what I'm gonna do is extend my cut crease to like my nose area right here. So it's gonna be here, and then it's gonna go here. You guys, I'm hoping that this Lawless do not stay on my eyes like this, because this is my first time ever letting my translucent powder actually sit on my face while I do my eyeshadow. So fingers crossed. Now what I'm about to do is I'm gonna go back into the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to take that color right here, which is called Ginger. And I'm gonna take that color Ginger and just kind of give this Credit color a little bit more of a, you know, soft looking blend, rather than it being so harsh on the eyes. Okay, so now we're gonna cut out our cut crease, and I am going to be using Juvias Place, and this is in a color 10. And when cutting out your cut crease, you want to use a brush just like this, that's very small and flat. I've been seeing a lot of people inbox me like how you cut your cut crease, what brush do you use to cut your cut crease. I got these brushes on Amazon and I got like 24 pieces of the brushes for like $12, or was it 12? I think it was actually $7. It was really cheap. I had got it and these brushes work really good. I wouldn't recommend using a wide flat. Like some people use brushes like this to cut out their cut crease, and I feel like, I mean, by all means use whatever works perfect for you, but if you're asking me what I use to cut my cut crease, this is what I use to cut my cut crease. It's just like a pencil. So now I'm gonna go in with this color called Soily, or Soil, whatever this color is right here. I'm gonna use that color and I'm gonna place that into my cut crease. I pray to God that this does not mess up my soft glam, because I do not feel like, I'm too lazy to get up and go back there and get my other palette so that I could use undertone, like, you know, a natural undertone kind of color. So I'm gonna use this color to put in my cut crease. I'm gonna go back in with credit, and I'm gonna dig in with credit and also ginger and just blend out this part right here, just so that it won't look as crazy. Okay, so while I wait for those lashes to dry, I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to be using True Complexion by Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to take that dark color right here and I'm going to just contour my face really fast. What I'm gonna do is go in with my Sephora Collections Mircrosmooth. What is this? All over powder, and I'm gonna sweep away this Lawless. Hopefully it comes off, but hopefully it comes off. Hopefully it comes off. Oh, it come off. Excuse me. Keep burping. Right back in with my contour, and I'm just not gonna add no more product to the brush, but I'm going to just go over my contour just so that it could still have that harsh look to it. Okay, so now that we got all of that out the way, I'm gonna go right back and I'm gonna put my eyelashes on, and I'm gonna be right back. The eyelashes is on and done, and we're gonna go back to the eyes, and I'm gonna take this color called Credit and Ginger, go back and forth with the two as usual, and just apply it to our waterline. I'm gonna go to the lips. I'm gonna take my favorite lip liner, which is by NYX. It's running out. I'm gonna go grab some more of these, maybe tomorrow. We're gonna go in with our Sephora Collection Lip Plumper, and this is in number 1. This for sure the real deal. Look at it. I fixed my lighting so it looks so amazing on my skin. Look at this glow. I look so... and I don't even wear glow like that. But Look at your girl looking super fly. But okay, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know you guys haven't seen me in a long time. It's okay. I'm gonna be back when I'm off. I'm gonna try my best to record a video for you guys. It's just been so hard to really like record a video for you guys, because when you're busy and you have like and you plan a whole lot of stuff, it's so hard to just like focus on literally everything that you want to do. So you have to just mark something out, focus on that, and then knock that out, and then focus on the other thing that you have to focus on. It's so hard to just focus on like 1,000 things at one time. So now that I got a little bit of the stuff out the way that I had to focus on, I'm gonna be right back to YouTube and doing my thing, uploading a video, because I know you guys was really happy in the month of January. You guys was actually sharing my stuff, watching my videos and everything like that, so I was so excited. I know February I slacked big, but don't worry, I'm gonna be back. But without further ado, if you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, peace.